You're a twat, you are, George. That's not on. Fucking dead sticked it, and then give it him back. There's Petey down. Get it off quick. Get it off quick, Pete.
Fucking hell, how far are we taking?
Because it was up them fucking Michael out there.
Keep your nose down.
I'm videoing it as well, Steve, so it's funny. Don't fuck up too, man. You bought the fucking thing.
Keep it going. That's it.
Yeah, you're alright, you're in this field.
Do you not know Tom?
Happy days. Old Stewie dead sticked it through the... Oh, happy days. Oh, I'll video this one, eh? We'll get it on video. That'll be good then. We like them. Anybody else while it's running? Well, it's running, you might as well. It's not doing anybody else any favours. Dead sticked, but he's landed it all right. That's how it's done. They didn't do that on your real one, did you? Oh, Tom's told us, yeah. We find a lot of things out. No, it isn't really. It's come a long way since I was a kid. All the starting ones didn't do anything. They used to have eggs in them.
Yeah, that's right.
Now they do come a long way, haven't they? All right, Stevie. There he is. There's Tweedlebug. Or was it Doodlebug? Here we go again. Take two on the triplane.
Oh, right. Well, I'll get out. I'll keep well clear of it.
Well, it didn't get off the ground last time.
I know.
Well, now the engine's cut.
It's safe enough on the ground.
Yeah, the engine's cut now. Now I bang them on. Yeah. So quiet though, and you don't even know it's on or off, do you?
It's only a 1200 battery in it.
Yeah.
And it flies about 12 minutes on it. I mean, if you start throwing it around a lot, then
Yeah.
it's got to fly for a long time, so I never started with the timer. Okay.
I got one built in on the handset.
I wish I had one on this. I mean, I think
Spectrum DX7 I've got.
Yeah, I've got DX6, which has got a timer on it. But the scandal is, this is a Futaba 6EX. You know, 2.4.
Yeah, it's mad, isn't it? It's got a stopwatch or anything. It is, isn't it? Yeah. bang this on.